can treat your body as well as the body of others. This is the minimum that should happen, that you become a healthy person. Now what does that? Within us lies a power which is evolutionary power in the center, and it is the power which we call as the power of Mahalakshmi, is the power by which we sustain our own character, by which we become human beings. From carbon, where it is 4 valencies, as human beings we develop 10 valencies. We become eligible for our ascent through this power to begin with, because this is the power that gives us balance. In the gross, it expresses itself as parasympathetic nervous system. Now, what is parasympathetic nervous system is that it gives a balance to your sympathetic nervous system. Now, sympathetic nervous system is the gross expression of the 2 other powers which are around us. One is the power of desire and another is the power of action. These sympathetic nervous systems come into play when we want to use them. For example, if you want to run fast. So, when you are running fast, these 2 powers come into power, that they give us the force to run fast. But what is the thing that brings it back to normal is the central power that brings it to the normal or gives it a balance. So this balancing force is the one that is responsible for your ascent. If you are not yet balanced, the same force will first balance you. Because of imbalances, so many diseases are caused. There is no end to it. Apart from that, those people who go to extremes to the left and to the right also can develop horrible diseases. Those who go to the left side develop mostly the psychosomatic diseases like cancer, like all mellitus and all these incurable diseases. And imbalances, people develop, say, blood pressures and diabetes and all these problems of the organs of the stomach. And the people who are too much right-sided, who are too much speedy, who are thinking of the future all the time, they develop problems of the heart and also the problems of the physical side. Those who indulge into too much physical exercises and all that also develop the problems of the physical side. So it is all our doing that we get sick, mostly, or maybe of our parents. For example, somebody asked me that how is it, mother, that leukemia is caused in the people who, children also, they are born with it. I said the mother must be a very speedy woman. If the mother is speedy, hectic, her spleen is working in a hectic way, she sets in motion the same kind of a spleen the child should have. And if that happens, the child develops a kind of a spleen which is hectic and starts producing RBCs which are not rhythmic and not in proper shape. And these are vulnerable to cancer and things like leukemia. Because at this stage, something triggers it. And that triggering takes place because of the extreme behavior of a personality, which I'll explain to you tomorrow. But in any case, physically you feel fit, mentally you feel fit. Mentally, because your extreme behavior disappears. Mostly we take to habits. Any habit we take to is, the reason is because we get bored, I think, in life, or we are fed up, or we are very unhappy, or we are disturbed about something, or we are shocked. Under these circumstances, we take to it. But supposing the reverse happens, that you feel settled, you feel blissful, you feel happy, you feel cheerful, you feel on top of the world, naturally everything drops out. When you have got the highest, you don't want to indulge into all these things which are sensational for the time being, work out for a short period. But you start enjoying, that is what is eternal within you, flowing all the time. Stress and all that also disappears. Because supposing, I give an example always of a car which is about to finish its petrol. Everybody is in a stress, the car as well as the driver is worried that the petrol is going to finish. But supposing by some chance you are connected to the mains and all the time the energy is flowing into you, then you have no worry. You have no worry, and just to get over all these things. People have a very great, impetus, or we can say all the time, a kind of a coaxing from all sensational practices of the society. And this quite upset us all the time, the way we